My name is Mikhail Kanov. I came here from Moscow, and I was born in Russia. I was graduated in a quite decent university, and after university, I landed with job. And after that, just improve my career step by step. I decided that it's time to go further. That's how I came here and currently living in Australia and landed with EIT. Actually, I'm living in great suburb. You can't even imagine. It's completely great society. Everyone just supportive, and the people are really amazing. It was a long journey. I took into consideration a lot of countries such as USA, Great Britain, even Europe, but Australia always was my favorite country, just because firstly it's English environment, and as for EIT, there are a lot of university at Australia, but when my agent just told me, my agent Natalia just told me that there is another university who give you a great opportunity to study, particularly in engineering field, as you always desired, I immediately decided I have to go to EIT. Yeah, it's a really great question, just because, my first master's degree back to Russia in electronic design means. So I am really have solid knowledge in electronic design. But while I was working in Russia, I really faced with a lot of problems with energy solution. So of course we could buy cutting-edge equipment, but how we could, make it works. So we always faced this problem with electricity, with quality of it, and that's why I decided a little bit shift my knowledge to electrical field. So EIT just gave me such opportunity. That's why I am living here and educate electrical system. My favorite unit is renewable energy, just because back to Russia, of course we have a lot of fossil fuels, but in case of footprint, it's really damaging and harmful for environment. And I definitely know that in the following future, just combine our opportunity to survive for next generation, we have to make our own contribution, and only one way to do it, it's to go with renewable energy. And Dr. Hussein Tofti is really my favorite lecturer, not only because his solid understanding of this particular unit, but also because his publics and his hard work and all these articles and paper he already provided to students. It's not only students, for whole society. So it's really wonderful that such people like Dr. Hussein just made in their particular field, just put his experience in the long run and just lead us to the better life. I wanna say thank you very much to Catalina and to Kylie about their support, because while I was learning here, when I just came here, I was a completely fresh member. When I just faced with any problem, I go to Catalina or Kylie, for instance, they always help me. People or students who came here just have this human approach from staff, from lecture, etc. And you really aimed to go with your solid knowledge in a technical field, you should to go to EIT. They have a lot of lecturers who had a great experience in particular field. Some of them had an experience more than 30 years in industry, and they provide you experience not only from paper that you can find instantly in any internet site, but when this tutor just provide you their experience, it's really valuable, because you never face such circumstances or obstacles, and they give you different solution, not only one, different solution, and you cope with such problem easily in your future job position, and it's really amazing.